Hello children, today in English grammar period we will do pronouns from chapter 5. In this presentation we will learn about different types of pronouns. The different types of pronouns are personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, relative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, reflexive pronouns. So today we are going to learn about personal pronouns. Once again the same passage is given over here. Passage B, which we read last week. Anita has an 11-year-old son called Ratan. They live in Kolkata. Ratan studies in class 6. He loves to browse the internet. He introduced his mother to it. She now uses their computer whenever she finds time. In passage B here, the pronouns he, she, they and it replace the nouns. And the nouns are Ratan, Anita, Ratan and Anita, Anita and Ratans and the internet. So now personal pronouns stands for three persons. They are first person, second person and third person. Now let's learn about the first person. The first person, the pronouns which refer to the person or persons speaking of are the first person, such as I and we. The second person, the pronouns which refer to the person or persons spoken to are the second person, such as you. And the third person, the pronouns which refer to the persons or things spoken of are the third person, such as he, she, it, they. Now, personal pronouns are of two types, subjective and objective. So now let us learn what is subjective. Pronouns that act as the subject of a sentence, such as I, you, he, she, etc. And objective pronouns that act as the object of a verb or a preposition in a sentence, such as me, your, him, her, etc. So to understand clearly about what is subjective and objective, let us look at the following sentences. Simi's best friend is Sohail. She likes him very much. He is also very fond of her. In the sentences given above, the pronouns she and he over here, it act as the subject. Therefore, they are personal subjective pronouns. Whereas him in the second sentence here, and her in the third sentence act as the object of the verb. Like, she likes him over here in the second sentence, like is the verb, and of the preposition of, and in the third sentence preposition of is used here. Hence they are known as personal objective pronouns. So now here a table is given where the different forms of personal pronouns are used. Three columns are here: person, number, gender. Singular, plural. The number is used as singular and plural, and the gender is masculine, feminine and neuter. So in singular, subjective, where to use subjective and where we have to use objective is given. In the same way, in plural also subjective and objective is they. So in first person, the singular form is I, and in objective we use me, whereas in the plural form we use we as subjective and objective we use us. I, me, we, us, we can use in both the gender masculine and feminine. So second person is you. Subjective also we write you, objective also we write you in singular form also, whereas in plural form also we write you in subjective form and in objective form, and you we can use in both masculine and feminine gender. In the third person, he, him. He, him we use in the masculine gender, whereas she and her is used in singular form and we use it in feminine gender, whereas they and them we use in plural form in third person. Subjective we use they, objective we use them, and these two they, them are used both in masculine and feminine gender. It we use in singular form in the subjective and objective both in the third person, and it is used as neuter gender. Thank you, children.